Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to explain how to fix cloudy pool water. When your pool becomes cloudy, it can be difficult and a time-consuming process to return it to its clear, natural state. Commonly, there are three main reasons for cloudy pool water: filtration, weather, and chemicals. Let's dive into how we can quickly fix it. Number one, check your filter. If you have a cartridge filter, take it out and give it a good hose down. Chemicals can also clog cartridge filters. These commonly need replacing every 12 months. If you have a sand filter, the general rule of thumb is to backwash once a fortnight. Filter sand lasts from anywhere between 5 to 10 years, and it may be time for a quick media change. A tip, we recommend swapping to glass. Number two, use a clarifier. Pool water clarifiers are a good quick fix, but they should be used with caution as they can clog cartridge filters with prolonged use. Note that Pool Flock is a heavy-duty clarifier that needs to be only added when absolutely necessary. Please read our blog on the procedure for using this. Number three, vacuum to waste. Connect your manual pool cleaning equipment, but vacuum to waste or via an outlet to remove all debris from your pool completely. This may need to be repeated a couple of times to achieve clarity. What do we recommend? Number one, checking your filter. Having a good quality filtration system and staying on top of cleaning your filter regularly will help you avoid cloudy pool water. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.